6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage du Vulcain. Allumage du ZAP et décollage.
I'm Christine Jauffret, and I will present to you how we were able to boost rocket production by using the theory of constraint. So I'm currently heading EuroCryospace, which is a subsidiary of Liquide and Ariane group, and we are in charge of manufacturing the cryogenic tanks for the Ariane 5 launcher. We had absolutely to increase our production rate, which was at the beginning of around 5 ranks per year, and we needed to increase this rate to 8 ranks per year. So we applied the theory of constraints, chasing the different bottlenecks in the workshop, in our manufacturing process, and at the end of the day we were able to reach this result, and we were able also to increase significantly our financial performance. This was also a great experience speaking about management, because we were able to embark all the team, and the staff was very happy and very proud with the results that we obtained.